Hi everyone, I'm Liz and I live in the community of Lake Las Vegas, located in the city of Henderson, Nevada, which is about 18 miles east of the Las Vegas Strip. I've actually relocated back to the Vegas area after being away for many years, and it just keeps growing and improving, and it's really an amazing area to live in. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to share with you tips and helpful information about the Las Vegas area, including Lake Las Vegas, for those that are considering visiting the area or even those looking to move here. I will also tell you I am not a realtor, so I am not here to steer anyone towards any specific builder or subdivision. I'm putting together information on not only Las Vegas and Lake Las Vegas, but also Henderson, Boulder City, Lake Mead, and short day trips you or your family can take from Vegas. I do suggest that if this content seems like something that is interesting to you, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, and you'll be notified every time I have a new informational video that I publish. Thank you and see you soon.